Hi there. If we have not met before, my name is Shelley. I'm a productivity and mindset coach for midlife entrepreneurs. And today I wanted to pop in here really quickly and just tell you about a fantastic planner that I have actually used for 2 or 3 years that I wanted to share with you. Now, most typical planners that you'll find have either a monthly view, weekly view, some go all the way down to daily view. And on your daily views, you tend to have just the time, blocks so you can schedule in activities and then a place for a to-do list. But I've got a totally different type of planner that if you've not seen before, this has revolutionized my productivity. It is called the Planner Pad. You order it from Amazon, and it's built on a totally different concept. Planner Pad, as you can see, it even actually looks different. Planner Pad works on a funnel system. The areas at the top, you can see I've divided these into what I call my content buckets. I've categorized, in other words, the activities that I need to do to get everything done this week to help move me forward. I run a couple of blogs, so I've got a couple of places here for the different blogs that I run. I work on some fiction, nonfiction, and so I've got tasks there. I've even got tasks off over here for things that need to get done at home, personal activities. But this area up here at the top is where you can get all of these things from your brain, get them out onto paper. It's ideal for doing your brain dump, or at least your brain dump for the week, so that you don't have to keep all those tasks in your head. Now, the second part of the funnel system is the middle section where it's got the days of the week with just blank lines below it. And this is where you take the activities from up here and you funnel them down into here, and you decide which particular day you're going to do certain activities and certain tasks. Now, you haven't assigned them a time yet. You've simply made a decision about when you're going to do these things, and you've assigned it to a day. Then the very bottom is your daily, and you've got your times written out below. And that is where you take the activities for a certain day and you plug them into a specific time so that you can actually time block your day. And as long as you're pretty good at estimating how long activities are going to take, you can pretty much tell if you've got your day adequately planned, or if you have been bad, as I have been in the past, about trying to do too many things in one day. This is a way to help you see that, I've got 14 hours worth of stuff that I'm trying to get done during an 8-hour workday. So this is the funnel system that this is built on. Now, I know that a lot of people like to have planners that are really pretty, that they can decorate up, put in sticky and washi tape, and I love those as well. There's no reason why planning and productivity can't look nice and why we can't enjoy it. And so I have taken washi tape and put it along the bottom, and have used some washi tape here to divide the different sections, and I a lot of times will decorate mine with stickers. So you can make this a pretty planner if you wish to. You don't have to simply use it in its bare minimalist form. You can pretty it up and make it as personal as you want. But the great thing about this planner is it's a workhorse. I mean, it may not be the sexiest looking planner when you first look at it, but it honest to Pete, it helps you get things out of your brain and get them down onto paper so that you can get them done and marked off that to-do list. And let's be honest, when you're working from home and running a home business, you've got to get those tasks done that are helping you achieve those goals and objectives that you have set for yourself. Planner Pad is just pretty stinking good at helping you do that. So I will leave a link below over to Amazon so that you can check this out for yourself. Planner Pad comes in a spiral binding. You also can get it where it is punched to use in a ring binder. One year I actually bought the set that was punched for a ring binder, and I took my disc punch and then disc punched it so that I could use it with that type of planner, and that way I could even add extra pages and things to it, and I liked that. It also comes in a couple of different sizes. I believe maybe a 6x8 or a 5.5x8, whatever that size is, or letter sized. I nearly always work with the letter sized. I write big, and I seem to always have a lot of stuff that I need to put in mine. It's a size I'm comfortable with. But like I said, you do have some choice there as to how you can set yours up in sizes that you want to use. Anyway, if you're looking for a planner that will help you really up your productivity game, Planner Pad is something that you definitely need to check out. So I will leave a link below in the bottom. Until the next time that we meet, hope you have a great day and go lay some bricks.